to my YouTube videos. Thank you. Today I'm going to be making a French cleat style holder for my monkey wrenches and my G-clamp, so please stay tuned. For us to make this French cleat style holder, what we need is some wood. I found a nice piece of wood here for me. What I'm going to be doing is put my bigger ones on one side and my smaller ones on one side. I found a bit of this French cleat style thing, so I'm just going to be using this to finish off this wood, and I'll be putting it on like that, so good that it sits on there like that. I'm going to be putting 2 screws through the back there, and then also I've got a smaller one for this side, so it goes on there, and then I can put my smaller ones on there too. And just mark it here. Just put a mark there. Drill a few holes through there. Putting a few screws through there. That's going to be my holder. Now I'm just going to put a little frame at the top here, and then I'm going to put my cleat at the back. That's my holder ready. Now it's time to put on the French cleat. So got my holder ready for my French cleat. And guys, if you've not gone and watched my videos on how to make a screwdriver, pry bar, breaker bar, hammer, brush set, pliers set, chisel set, please go ahead and watch my channel, and please like them too. Now for this monkey wrench holder, I'm going to put it up here. Go there. This can go there. Smaller ones can go there. Thank you guys for watching again. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for some more holders.